You could videotape him while you're on the field.
So I'm down.
He dropped a little piece of hay.
Hey guys! Aaron!
What?
Take a picture of boy! Hey, Aaron, take a picture of boy.
I will later.
Okay, that was crazy. He ran right up in front of me. Did you get that,
He's just playing, yeah.
That was Henry doing what he does in his field.
Halt. Walk. Hey.
Walk.
Oh. Look back. Trot.
Haven't done
Boy, no.
yet.
Canna.
Gallop. Boy is not stupid! Boy. Well, you're not stupid, are you? Don't drink out of his water. You should drink out of his water. I got it fun. Say bye.
Are you getting this?
I got the head. Back up.
I don't want boy to get hurt.
And you're okay.
Hey boy, go now, let's see some action.
No.
Let's see some action. Hey, I want to see,
Oh, look at that. There we go.
do some action.
What do you see?
Can I tell him something?
Huh?
Can I do something? That was Henry being afraid of boy.
That was Cassie and Henry being a freak.
Oh, yeah. I'm getting that.
Boy.
And that is boy itching.
Henry's walking.
Henry's scared.
Boy, stop scaring Henry.
This is called a walk.
Wait, I want to do this next one. I want to do This is called a halt.
Boy's gonna try. Don't throw it through there, Cac. It's
Oh
gonna.
boy.
Boy wants it.
So far went to boy. Out there, boy, far one, and then you go.
That was Henry shake. King and rolling.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
do that.
Did you hit him?
No, you're just acting.
Cassie, no.
Oh, that's cool.
Cassie, no throwing things.
Okay.
Run and play.
Dad, you're not taking that apart, are you?
No, ma'am.
Then what are you doing with that? You're burning it.
How do you know?
You're gonna start a fire.